family. This is your girl Renee, and today it's a very, very, very special day. Why am I saying it's a very special day? Because it's mail call time. Yes, and I have been waiting for this mail call forever. And one of my wonderful, wonderful subscribers sent me a mail call that I am just so elated about her. And I cannot wait to tear into this box. You want to see how excited I am? I'm so excited! Yeah, so excited! Because this is a mail call of all mail calls. You hear me? So without further ado, let's get to singing this song so we can get into this box so you guys can see why Miss Renee is so excited about this mail call. So I've already cut the top of the box, but I haven't looked inside yet. So I'm gonna do it this way because I don't want to see that you see my address or the person that sent it to me. So are you guys ready? It's mail call time. It's mail call. It's mail call. Look what I got in the mail today. It's mail call. It's mail call. I'm so happy today. And boy, oh boy, child, I am truly happy. Happy! Yeah! I know you guys are saying, why is she so excited about a mail call? Child, I am so excited. You guys don't see why I'm so excited about this mail call. So let me open up this box. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Remember? Okay, I'm gonna tell you who sent me this box of goodies. And I know you guys hear me talk about her all the time on my channel. Her name is Q from Qstead Homestead. And she has always been talking about all these beautiful peppers that she's been finding when she goes to the farmer's market, and she talks about this one shepherd's pepper. And when she showed the shepherd pepper on her channel, I have never heard about this pepper. I've never seen this pepper, but this pepper looks delicious. Every time she shows it on her channel, I'd be like, oh, that is such a unique pepper. I wish I could have a pepper just to hold it in my hands, just to get some seeds so I can grow some of them shepherd peppers for myself. And sure enough, Q, girl, you came through. You came through. So let me show you this shepherd peppers. Y'all not going to believe how beautiful these peppers are. When she showed it to me from the farmer's market, she said it was going to be green, but then it was going to turn red by the time it got to me. You're right, Q. Look at this mama jamma right here. She didn't only send me one of these shepherd peppers. Q hooked your girl up and she sent me two. You hear me? Two of these shepherd peppers. Look how big these things are. You see what I'm talking about? When she showed them on her channel, how big these peppers were. OMG. I've never seen a pepper this big. Never. Look at the thickness. Look how wide it is. Look at the size of my hand and this pepper. Look at that. This pepper is amazing. And she says it tastes so good. I don't even know what I'm going to cook with this shepherd's pepper, but trust and believe your girl is going to cook something with a little bit of it, because I'm going to dehydrate the rest of this pepper because I want to make some pepper powder out of these. And hopefully, Lord willing, that there can get some seeds out of here and I can grow my own shepherd's peppers. Look at this. Look at the brightness of that pepper. Look at it. I can't believe how big this bad boy is. So huge. Look at that. Thank you, Q. You hooked the girl up. For sure, for sure. I just can't get over it. How big this pepper is. And she says it's a sweet pepper. And she says that she cuts hers in strips. And she has been frying it. And she enjoys every piece of this pepper. So, with that being said, I think, like I said, I'm gonna cut half of this, and I'm gonna cut it in strips, and I'm gonna probably do a stir fry with mine, with maybe some chicken and shrimp, whatever. But I'm going to stir fry a couple of pieces and like some garlic and some onions because I want to taste this. I'm gonna taste it raw, but then I'm going to saute it with some seasonings and see how I like it that way. And then, like I said, I'm going to dehydrate it and I'm going to make me some powder of this shepherd's pepper. Thanks, Q. Oh, I'm so excited about this pepper. Yes, 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 I got my own shepherd's pepper. I got my own pepper. Thanks, Q. Woohoo! And she says that the seeds are at the top of this pepper. So when I cut it open, she says the seeds should be right here at the top. She said some of them may fall, to the bottom a little bit, but majority of them should be at the top. So I'm gonna cut this open. Not today because I'm not ready to use it yet, but I have to because this pepper is and it's meaty. It's almost like thick like a steak. It's so thick like that. I love that pepper, and I haven't even tried it yet. All right, let's see what else Q got in here. Oh, Q was saying she was going to send me some of these pea pellets that I always use to grow my food and stuff with, and this is what they look like. And I got two pea pellets over here that I'm going to put some seeds in tomorrow. And when you add water, they fluff up to look like this. And then you can plant whatever you want inside the middle. And I love these things because I've had so much success using these pea pellets, and they're 16 in here. Perfect. Love it, love it. Thank you, Q. And she got me like 4 boxes of these. See what else Q got in here. She got me some seeds, sweet peppers. So this is so she sent me some seeds, and of course, your girl don't have her glasses on, but I think that says shepherd sweet pepper. So she gave me some of the seeds that were supposed to be in here, the seeds out of that shepherd's pepper. So if I can't get enough seeds out of the one she sent me, she hooked me up. Girl gave me a pack of seeds. And what else she have in here? Cute. She said she was gonna send me some of them cipollini onions, and she sent me 2. Which, hey, I'm not gonna complain. I am so excited about these onions. See, when I saute my shepherd pepper, I'm gonna use some of this onion to saute it in here. So that's gonna be a delicious meal. And she said that I'm supposed to put this in a pot of hot water for 2 minutes because she says you can't just like peel this onion because this shepherd's pepper, cipollini, not shepherd pepper, it's cipollini onion. You can't just peel it like a normal onion. You have to put it in some hot water, and then the outer skin of this cipollini onion will just fall off. So I'm going to be doing this week for sure, Q. I'm going to put these in some water, and I'm going to peel these bad boys, and I'm going to chop them up, and I may dehydrate them, some of them with this shepherd's pepper, so I can get them both. What else you got? Q, you gave me a little drinky. I'm not going to show the drinky, but I am so appreciative of this. When I get down later on tonight, when I get ready to watch my movie, child, this is going to go on some ice. Thank you, girl. You know how I like my little drinkies. What else you got in here? She got something wrapped up in a towel. So let me unwrap this. Oh, that's right. I forgot, Q, that you were gonna send me some of these shepherd peppers and romaine pepper powder that she made. Let's smell it. She was saying how good it smells. So let's see how good it smells. Ooh, wee! This is some good. Oh wow, that smells so good. Q. Yes. Love it. And I love how she labeled it and everything for me. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Look at all the colors of the shepherd's peppers and the romaine peppers. That's another pepper I want to try is the romaine pepper. Let's see what else. Did I miss anything else, Q? I'm in here digging in the box. Looking on the side. I don't see anything else. Let me make sure. Let me make sure. You know what? I'm appreciative of this. Yes, so that's it. So thank you so much, Q, for sending me your girl these shepherd peppers, cipollini, onions. This is so huge. I am just tripping off of this shepherd pepper because it's so big. Look at this. And the color is just so vibrant. And my cipollini onions and my powder and my little drinky. Go Q, go Q. You did it. You did it. I'm excited. I'm excited. Woohoo! This has been one of the best, you hear me? Best mail calls ever. Because my girl hooked me up with some things to grow my food in, my little pea pellets, my shepherd peppers, the powder, the cipollini onions, and my little drinky poo. Girl, and my seed packet. Can't forget that. Woo-hoo. I got it. Girl hooked me up. And this was a fantastic mail call. With that being said, I want to say thank you to everybody that's watching this video, this mail call. Make sure you go over to QStead, Homestead, and let her know that Renee sent you. She is an awesome person. You will fall in love with her. Soon as you click on her channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because that's all you need to do and let the fun begin. If you just take my word for it. Click that subscribe button, and you know what? You'll be happy you did. All right? Shepherd's Peppers, I got a date with you this week. We're going to cook up something special with these peppers and put it along with these cipollini onions. Woo! I'm so excited. Gosh, Q, best mail call ever. Thank you. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee, we'll see you in the next mail call. All right, you guys, take care.